Hello and welcoming you all back to Pavitra CR YouTube channel. I am Pavitra, working as Assistant Professor at Department of Business Administration PG at Dr. S.M.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video I would like to share with you all about my DT based teaching curriculum that I have been following in my institution. So that is bringing more interesting classes to my dear students rather than sticking on to an usual classes where I would be teaching something to the students and the students would be silently listening to the classes. Rather than a usual typical classroom, this would be something a more interactive class where at the end of the class both the teacher as well as the student will be inculcating something new out of this class. So a teacher is not only the person who always teaches something or in the place of teaching something. The teacher should always be in an open minded of getting in something new and should be open minded for learning new. So everyone around us would be giving some new knowledge and ideas, whereas this new young minds would come up with various new ideas and process. In each and every of my class I would gain something new from my dear young buds. So in that case my classes would be more interactive and informative, where at the end of the class both me and my dear students would be inculcating something new out of the classes. My classes would be usually be more interactive. So whereas communication is more important in this fast moving world, and where when my dear buds moving on towards their career, moving on to different positions and places, it is most important for them to be more fluently communicable, more confident about their communication. So I would make sure that each and every of my students is more familiar with the conversation, are more comfortable to come out with their ideas and process. So the first step that I would always do in my classes is to bring each and every student front of the class. So when they step front, they would come up with more ideas. Their fear would be come out. So each and every day while coming front of the class, their fear would be reduced day by day, day by day, day by day. So when they are facing the real challenge, real interview process, when they have to be standing front, that wouldn't be a big matter of content for them, because it would be a practice for them. So in the secondly I would give them various trending topics, various managerial topics, and make them to speak out about those topics. And there would be a brainstorming session in the classroom where the topic of the day, subject topic of the day would be given to them, and would be giving a brainstorming session to come out with their ideas on those topics. And there would be a group discussion session where students would be coming about with their ideas, solution to an existing problems in an organization. Further, there would be a case study session which helps the students to come up with the possible solutions to the industrial problems, and it fosters their creative decision making process. Further, also helps the students to continuously communicate very well with the peoples. So this would be very helpful for them to attend their interviews, placements, and the students would be more convenient when they face the real challenge of the outside world. So these are the process and ideas that I would follow in my classroom to make an effective and a happier classroom. So the classes would also be made based on a game sessions. It would be conducted as a game, as a quiz, and that would make the classes more interesting and innovative. So that's it about my DT based classrooms. So you could also come up with more interesting ideas to make the classroom more interactive and more innovative, and let me know about it. And see you all in the next video on video lecture series. Thank you.